Hi family. I'm back. And I'm sorry guys, I've been gone for so long because I got a new MacBook, which I mean like it's super awesome having a new one, but like they're so expensive and nobody wants to spend that kind of money. So anyway, I got a new MacBook. Sorry, I'm driving guys, so if I'm not looking you in the eye, it's because I'm being a safe driver. But freaking, I don't know why, I know why they do this, but it's super irritating. And so they always change the cords and like the ports like they do on iPhones so they can get more of your money, which, come on Apple, get it together. Which, I mean, it's a good business move, but not for me. Freaking try to put my cord into the port and it doesn't fit per usual. So I went to Target and I like tried to find a new cord because in my town it's too small. We don't have like a Best Buy or anything. So I was like, Target, pull through for me. Nope. I got like two and they didn't fit. So basically I have videos to be putting up, but I don't have a cord to transfer the videos onto my MacBook so I can start editing them. Good morning. I am currently on my way to a job site. I do bridal hair and makeup, and so we have a wedding today. I'm super excited. It's one of my friends actually getting married, so it'll be really fun to just be with her this morning. So I will take a little bit of footage if I can get any, but I am going to be really busy working this morning. So that is the start of my day. It's actually so beautiful out. I'm so excited because I know a lot of it will be outside, and I'm just like on this gravel road. I love something about a small town gravel road. So beautiful. Just like the perfect August summer day for a wedding. Hair.
Looks so good.
The bride.
Well, and the makeup, everything, yeah. Oh, the bumpies, that's so cute.
This looks so pretty.
It looks so good.
Oh my gosh.
Like 4 prongs or 6 prongs. Oh, yeah. And I think hers is 6. Right.
Oh, that lady.
Thank you. Yeah. Ooh! Oh, I gotta get a picture, sorry.
No, it's a video, so you're already in it.
Oh, hello.
Good morning. We are currently on our way to a little craft show thing. I'm not really even sure if it's a craft show. I think, is that what they call it? And Mom and I are here. Hi! So I thought it would be fun to take you guys with and just see if we find any cute things. I know there's like this lady here who she has like a whole flower farm, and that is like my dream, even though, I mean, I don't think I want my own. I would want my own, but not to like have to do all of it. But it's like super beautiful, and I worked on a wedding yesterday for a bride, and she had like a hairpiece, and it was from her. And she made that, and she's gonna have her little setup out here, and her flowers are just absolutely beautiful. And if you guys know me, you know that I'm like so obsessed with flowers. They just like make you so happy. And it's currently Sunday morning. I woke up early. I just had a great morning. It's only 11. Usually I would like just be waking up, but I've already had a good day already. So we're just gonna have a little girls' morning and see what we can find. Happy fall, y'all. Okay, we just got back. I didn't vlog a ton because it was really crowded and it was like hard to see a little bit too. It was in like this barn, which was cute, but like it was kind of dark. I'm in my garage right now. So first thing, I got the prettiest bouquet of flowers. The prettiest flowers ever. And I already put them in their little vase. Next, I got this just like really pretty fall little flower thing. I wanted to put this in just like a cute little vase. You can see it like trending at Target is like the little like milk things, like old glass milk containers. I'm putting this in it. It's really pretty. I got 2 of these cute little headbands. They can actually be used as masks too, which is funny. And I got one for my mom and one for me, and I just thought these prints were really pretty and cute. Then I got this, which is really good for me if you know me. Dad, look, it's a garbage for my Jeep. It's a little garbage can. Life is only as good as the people you share it with. Oh. It's already hot out. I'm already sweating. It's like 90. Then I got this tank top, which is kind of random, but I thought it was actually really cute, and kind of like a good transition piece into the fall. Look how cute that is. Very flowy and ruffly and just beautiful. So yes, I really like this. And a lot of stuff at like little boutique-y things can tend to be overpriced. So I don't usually find myself buying a lot of their stuff, and I'm also usually not into like the style really normally, but this one, sometimes you can find like one-of-a-kind pieces, which this tank top just screamed that to me. So this like super cute thing for my house to hang up. It's kind of like a little wooden windmill looking thing with this little thing on it. Can I say thing any more times? So I got this. This is really cute. Just like kind of different, and I just love the theme of it. This like really cute container, I guess you could call it. And what I want to do with this is set it up like this and put like some pumpkins in it, or I could also just use it as storage to put stuff in. But I just thought the rustic look was so fun, so pretty, and I think it looks really cute with this like kind of farmhouse-ish. Yeah, so that's all I got. So yeah, that's all I got. I'm gonna go do something else. See you guys in a little bit.
I really like these yellow things. I'm not sure what they are. What are they?
I don't know. Okay, so this is my outfit. This little blouse is from Glix, and I have my Apple Watch on again today, and my Apple Watch honestly makes me feel accomplished. It makes me goal-oriented because it is keeping me on track for like my steps and my workouts. And I didn't work out yet today, but that is something I'm going to be doing later to get me on track. So yeah, my Apple Watch has really helped me. If you don't have one, that's fine, but set some goals for yourself today, like to stand every hour or to make sure you're walking more, just things like that. So yeah, my Apple Watch, I just have the black one, and then these jeans are just from Target and they're cropped, and then I have these little black booties on. It's a little bit colder today, so I'm wearing a little bit more of like a transitional outfit to fall, but I love it. And wearing something cute is just going to make you feel more confident, which is going to make you feel better about yourself and just better in general. So yeah, I am going to head to work now, and I will catch up with you guys later. Okay, and what you listen to really affects how you feel. I'm a firm believer in that. So on my way to work this morning, I'm going to listen to some worship, some just good for the soul music, some worship music. Hey you guys, it's later on today, and now I am going to treat myself to a treat. I'm getting ice cream, something that you like doing, whether it's like getting Starbucks or getting some ice cream or having your favorite meal for supper or ordering out, like whatever it is, just know that like you deserve it, and it's more than okay to indulge sometimes. And so I'm taking a little break out of my day and getting some ice cream, and I'm excited. And yeah, if this doesn't cheer you up, I don't know what will. I'm joking, but like kind of not. Oh my goodness. Hi you guys. Why am I always such an egg when I'm filming? I don't know, but like look at this. I currently am, sure. Happy Monday, you guys. I'm so excited it's Monday. I love Mondays. Does anyone else love Mondays, or like what's your favorite day of the week? Because Mondays are my favorite. I mean, I do love me a good Saturday, a good Sunday, but a Monday is just a fresh start, you know? I think my hand is shaking because I just got done working out, and that's why my hand is shaking, because I'm out of shape and I'm working out. But I'm working out, which is so exciting. Good for me, you know? So I'm actually just like really excited right now because I'm doing big girl adulting things, and I'm gonna go look at a house right now to potentially buy. What? Question mark? I don't know. It looks really cute, and I just am kind of just looking, just, you know, in the market looking, kind of figuring it out, because I'm not really sure how long I want to be here. But I also know that I don't want to pay a lot of freaking money for rent again. Right now I'm living at my family's cabin with my puppy, and it's been wonderful, but we sold it, and so I need to figure out my next step. And I really just feel like it would be better to put into a house, then into an apartment, but we'll see. We'll just see, but I'm excited to go. We're just gonna kind of take a gander. Do people say take a gander? Look around. We're just gonna look. And I only did like a 20-minute workout today, but you guys, that's still 20 minutes of moving my body, which is really good for me and really exciting. And it's about progress, not perfection. So go move your body for 20 minutes today. Don't worry about how many calories you burned, how many pounds you're gonna lose. Just do it to serve your body, serve yourself, take care of yourself, love yourself. Do that, and then let's go look at this house.
Menards are perfect. Take a picture of them.